Look at what's here. The Junk Trunk kit is here. It's like Christmas. I have been anxiously awaiting to receive the design, well, it's actually the first kit, but what am I trying to say? Design team members had theirs shipped out like, I don't know, a smidgen before the other orders. And I've been going to my mailbox every day since, when was it, the 4th that she launched it, that Jessica launched her there's all the address up, but the Junk Trunk kit, and it says the kit for junk journalers and crafters. And we are going to dig right in. As you can see, I haven't peeked. Nope, we're doing this together. I'm very, very excited. I'm just trying not to cut anything special. All right, make sure I'm in frame. Okay, let's see what we have. Sorry. Ooh, look at there. All right, look at this. This is cool. There's a note, and it's saying that the theme is thrift shopping, as it has very mismatched random vibe and includes things like vintage buttons and vintage book pages. Inside you'll find everything you need to create the bare bones of a junk journal. Paired with your own craft goodies, you will have a deluxe journal. Don't forget to take advantage of this month's trio of tutorials to help you become a pro at journal making. We love feedback, so don't forget to head back to the Cool Mom Boutique shop and leave a review. Use hashtag JunkTrunkKit and hashtag JunkTrunkKitNovember to share photos on social media. Thank you for your support. And here's the crew. There's all of her design team. There's me, look at that. Yay! And then highlights of the month, favorite places to shop. For lace and trimming on eBay, and Feed the Birdies, Vintage Findings, and JunkThatTreasures for junk journal supplies. And there's her information. And artist of the month is Lindsay Zenor. And here's all of her information. So cool. And there's her Junk Trunk label. And here's a little note to me that I can use in my junk journal. And this is her favorite glue, the Tombow Mono Liquid Glue. And this is from Matt's or Mattis, I'm not sure, Lace and Trimming Company. And it tells you all the different things that are in here. Ooh, but I want to save those for later. And I'm going to save this. Let's go to, let's go to the papers. Okay, so here we have ledger paper. Very cool, 2 sheets of that. We have some college ruled papers and some graph paper. We also have writing paper. Oh, and here's some more graph paper. And some drawing paper, all different kinds of papers that can be coffee or tea dyed. Then we have music. That's fun. It's a really big piece. That's neat. And then we have a recipe. No, what is this? Dyes from herbs, dyeing tips. So it's a sheet on how to dye different fibers. And then we have some book pages. We have birds and some flowers. and some book pages. It's fun. And some vintage book papers. Very cool. Oh, look how cool this image is. That's neat. Some old book pages. Very cool. Descriptive poems. And then a picture of Geoffrey Chaucer. Very cool old pages. And then she included a big envelope that you can make tucks and pockets, and a smaller size. And then this is really, really cool. It's her book binding template. Very cool. So this is really neat to keep on hand. And now let's get into, oh, which one should we do first? Let's do this one. Okay, this is the one I was looking at earlier. And this has different lace and trims. So we have some of this, very pretty. Ooh, this one's really neat. That's really pretty. And then this kind of tan, can you see? Kind of tan. All different kinds, that's so fun. This one, ooh, that's a bigger, wider one, that's fun. And this one, that's pretty. And these, ooh, look at this one. It's like teardrops, I love that one. This one's really, ooh, seashells, flowers, what do you think? That's pretty. More of that brown. Or is that the same brown? Nope, more of that brown. And this one has shiny bits. Black, that's fun. Ooh, look at this. Pink. What is that? Rouge? I don't know the name of it. I'm not even going to try and say it. And that's fun. All different kinds. How cool. This one. And then there's a blue and a really delicate white. That's so fun. All right, what else? So then she has muslin, which is really cool. I know that Jessica uses this on the inside covers of her junk journals. I was going to show you one that I did like that, but I sold my first Etsy journal, and that happens to be the one with the muslin. So I'm not going to show you. But yeah, so she uses this on the inside. Very cool. And it helps give it extra stability. All right, and then this is made by Lindsay Zenor. Oh, cool. And it has her YouTube, Lindsay Zenor, and then her Instagram, and her Etsy is Nevermore Creations 17. Well, that's neat. That's really, really cool. I don't want to rip her tag. I want to keep it. And then here, oh wow, these are her digital cards. That's neat. That is a really clever idea. I love that. And then in this one, there's all sorts of fun goodies that you can tuck in. A bag that I'm going to keep. Oh, that's neat. An old picture. Multiplication card. What is that game? Oh, come on, Cara Brandon. It is trivia. Oh, good Lord. Oh, I frighten myself sometimes. Pictionary. Oh, see, that helps me. It has it right on the card there. See, so I, oh my Lord, oh my Lord. These you can make into tags for journaling. Very cool. And some envelopes. Sorry, I'm all coughing and coughing. Some paper you can tuck in this way for flips. You can put them on the back of tags. This is neat. A couple of receipt papers. Guest checks are always fun. You can embellish. Ooh, and I really like these layaway tags. I'm gonna guess that these came from JunkThatTreasures. I'm just gonna guess. And same with this. Well, this whole little packet of stuff. And then these, very cool. Super fun. All right, let's look in our last little baggie. And what's really neat is Jessica is including 3 tutorials. So if you're new to making journals, you can follow along, get your own book, follow along, and then make a journal with her tutorials. Pretty cool. And then here's her card. Very nice. And then she has book corners. That's cool. Some buttons and some paper clips. And in this little bag, she has some thread that you can use for binding. Oh, let's open it. Why not? Maybe. There we go. All right. So there's the thread for binding. On Jessica's books, she uses one of these and puts a dangly like on her spine. So that's really cute. And then you can use one of those for that. And then this, you can make a dangle. And then this little heart says, "Made with love." That's really cute. And then in this bag, oh, maybe this is what she has for the binding. That makes more sense. And then some more lace, some flowers, and some fabric pieces. Very cool. This one's fun, Christmas. And blue. Very cool. So yeah, so let's pull it all back out here really quick. So all of this and the glue and the 3 tutorials and all this fun stuff is what you get in your kit, or something very similar. All of them are very similar, she said, but there's going to be different probably laces and fabrics in each of the kits. So I am so excited to get started, and then once I make a journal, I'm going to come back and I will show you what I came up with all of the cool stuff from the kit. How cool is that? Give me comments below. What do you think? Are you excited? Did you get a kit? Are you excited for January? Yeah, I can't wait. All right, bye for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.